So what do we have visible here? We got some numbers. We want to find the maximum distance between different numbers. So the different numbers are like 2, 4, and 1. This is a pair of numbers. 1, 3, and 2. It's different. Now, solution is just without thinking, just brute force all and squared, and this is accepted because it almost only 100 elements. After the first implementation, you can think about it. So this thinking can use property, and the main discovery is that the first element and the last element are guaranteed to be in this pair y. Y first or last included. Imagine we have the array of numbers and the first element equal to the last element. This is the first property, not the equal. By the that definition, there exists some different number inside. That means we have to just check this two lengths, because any length that is inside is shorter. So this is shorter and this is a bigger or larger. Now this is the first branch of logic. The second branch of logic, we have different, like A, B, they are different, and that means instant result. Because if they are different, that means we have a pair and we can return it. So by looking at this property that first or last are included, so I will call first and last, maybe this big F. Now we just have to find some index inside this range, so length of all of numbers, some index that has different number with the first or with the last, different, and then pick the maximum. So nothing special, but so this is like first implementation trivial. We just scan all indices, and just pick the maximum of, and inside we pick left, right. So this will be if there's a maximum, and also check if equal, if different. But we also we can improve this implementation. Now, how we can do this? So actually we have this our first, last number, and step like I, and at this step we are looking for, imagine instead of searching for the index, we search for the length, meaning we're checking this length L, and this is also L, so I'll call small L. And also we take the same length to the right. L. So we checking all the lengths from the bigger to the smaller, and it has different position. This is like size minus L, so this is size minus L, and this is just L. So indexes are different, but the length is just some decreasing value. So let's look at the code. I just solved it without thinking, and I recommend it. Do not think about too much it, especially if you're solving these problems at the morning. Now let's look at profit solutions. And this is how it looks like. And this time I using not length, I use a difference with length, so it looks different. Maybe I should rewrite it to use decreasing length, and it would be just first. It should be simpler. I don't want to spell you. Maybe I should try like C size minus 1. Minus 2, must be minus 1, down to 0 and first, and then we have to check the first element is length, and the last element is this size minus 1 minus length. So the one liner is almost the same size, so the number of characters didn't change, but it's more intuitive, so both accepted. That's it for today.